Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness. This video is about the absolute best ways to store lemons from the whole fruit to the juice and to the rind. When life gives you lemons, there are plenty more ways to use lemons than to just make lemonade. Juiced, sliced, and zested, this vitamin C rich citrus fruit can be used in a variety of ways. Lemons are used in desserts, lemons are used in beverages, and lemons are even used to make pasta recipes. So if you enjoy cooking at home or add lemons to your drinking water, you probably buy a lot of lemons. So let's discuss the best ways to store lemons when you bring them home from the market. In addition, we'll talk about what to do with leftover lemons when a recipe calls for the juice of half a lemon or just the zest. Should you refrigerate the leftovers or store them elsewhere? In this video, we'll try to answer some of these questions. As is the case with most fruits, the recommendation is to store lemons in the refrigerator. Ripe lemons will last a month in the refrigerator versus lasting a week or so on the counter. You want to seal them in an airtight container. See the links in the description below. Airtight refrigeration storage keeps lemons moist and juicy. Unripe green lemons should be stored on the counter until they turn yellow, then put them in the crisper drawer of the refrigerator. Refrigerating lemons accomplishes two things. In addition to the lemons lasting longer, refrigeration keeps the rind of the lemon soft and keeps the lemon flavor intact. Fresh lemons are sweeter and less acidic. Lemons start to dry out quickly when stored on the counter at room temperature. Lemon rinds are very useful for cooking and baking. You want to hold on to your lemon rinds and never throw them away. You always want to zest lemon rinds so that you can use them for your recipes. Lemon zest is a fantastic, versatile ingredient. Store a lemon zest in a sealed lemon storage container. These containers make it easy to thaw lemon zest for your favorite lemon recipe dessert. See the link in the description below. Sometimes recipes call for only half a lemon. You want to store leftover lemon in a sealed container and use it before it dries out in a few days. See the container that I use in the link below. To preserve leftover lemon juice, keep lemon juice in a sealed container in the refrigerator where it will keep its flavor for a few days. It's best to use fresh lemon juice for cooking and baking. You can freeze leftover lemon juice in ice cube trays, then move them to storage containers when they're frozen. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this content helpful, valuable, and beneficial, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more health and wellness videos like this. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.